friends. Today is going to be a quick project with our Cricut to change this old soap bottle into something cute for my daughter's bathroom. Hi there, welcome. I'm Stephanie, aka Crafty Ma, and welcome to my channel. Here I like to do crafty things including sewing, Cricut, crochet, even some baking. I'm also a homeschool mom, so if any of that interests you, consider subscribing below. Today is going to be a quick and simple Cricut project where we're just going to remove the old product labels and put on a cute design for my daughter's bathroom. In our family, we really enjoy using the foaming hand wash. In particular, we've been using Method, and we've been getting the Method refill from Amazon. It's like a big bag of soap, which cuts down on all the waste from plastic bottles. And we have 2 of the Method bottles, but I wanted to make a 3rd for my daughter's bathroom. We had the Dove shower foam from before. It's empty, and I thought this would be perfect to be able to put more foaming hand wash into. However, having this sitting on my daughter's sink saying shower foam didn't seem very inviting. Her bathroom is the guest bathroom, so I wanted to put a cute little mermaid on here so it'd be something she can get excited about and also a little bit more welcoming for guests when they come over. All right, so I have a design picked out in Cricut. I will show you how I added the graphics, 2 different ways to add graphics free, and then we will cut it out and apply it to the bottle. Let's get started. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed that project. Join me next time for yet another fun, crafty project. Please comment, like, subscribe. I would love to hear what other things you'd like to see and are interested in right now. Thanks. Bye.